Hey gang, welcome back to the channel. We're gonna head out and check out the Cabbage Patch. Got my friend Carrie and my friend Jack, and we're gonna head out that way. Thanks for tuning in. All kinds of bikes out, as you can see. It's kind of a busy year this year, it seems like. Happy to see everybody out having a good time. VFW is all full up. Back up from the intersection out here at the Cabbage Patch. State Road 415 and Pioneer Trails, where we're the area where we're at right now. Feel like jumping a fence?
Okay.
Actually, you may be able to slip right through.
Let's wrestle. Hey, pin up at least making an effort for it. Diving at Cookie's legs. Pin up on the back of Cookie. Ironically, Randy, she is wearing a pair of shorts that says, if I straddle it, it's mine. And she just straddled Cookie. That could be some shit talking right there. Nah, Cookie is sad. Here we go. They lock it back up. Cookie now right on top of Pinup. Pinup right again. Now she has done pet the piranha. Let me tell you. Pinup, Cookie's like, holy shit, that's all the way up in there. Cookie just got violated by her own bathing suit. She's like, there goes Daytona. I got carpet burned. Coleslaw. Up in there. Get it! Oh! That was a slam right on the edge, too. Randy, I wish you would have been in my point of view to see V's face as she was flying by. Like Angela just tossed her like a salad. And I don't mean that in the vegetable kind of way. Yeah, I know. Yeah. Come on, V, are you trying to Angela, I've just been fed into my ear that Angela's on her honeymoon. Yeah! Oh, shit! Oh! V making the move! V got ass all up in Angela's face. V just gave Angela an ass sandwich. No, it was more than ass. She got everything. She got the biscuit and all. Angela's like, no, come on, you little rag doll. I'm gonna throw you out the pit. Angela right now is like, I'm getting tired. She's getting a little winded there. V's trying to get that spot. I think V likes it better when they're down on the ground. She starts wallowing everywhere. They lock it back up. Oh, Angela trying for that leg sweep. And V taking advantage. V is trying. You will see have no losses. So it's time to hand somebody a loss. You guys make sure you go grab yourself a nice cold Bud Light, Mick Ultra, whatever you get your hands on. It's Coleslaw Wrestling round number 1 on the Wednesday of Bike Week 2021. The world famous Cabbage Patch.
Second place gets 3. Here earlier, they've been racing to the left. Now they're going to race to the right. So we have a couple bikes practicing just a little bit. I saw the handlebars go right in the nuts there. Are you all right? That edge. Taking on the Minion. The Minion is taking on Daniel. Daniel's out there. Josh is on the outside edge. The Minion in second so far. We got it down. Caution. Caution. Hold up. Josh in the Minion. Daniel trying to get it up there. But here comes Zach Dixon. Zach Dixon trying to figure out what.
Alright gang, that's the Cabbage Patch. Had a malfunction, my autofocus wouldn't focus on my long lens camera, so hopefully it'll be enough of a GoPro to get a decent view of what's going on. But we'll go ahead and work our way out of the woods here and head on to our next adventure for Bike Week.